Hi my friends, welcome back to another video. So today is actually a really nice day. It's warm outside. I think it's like about maybe like 70 degrees outside, you guys. Lately it's been like amazing, and I know spring is almost going to be here too, so I'm quite happy and quite excited for that. But today we are going to be heading to Ulta Beauty because Ulta is actually having 21 days of beauty, so they have up to 50% off on certain products that they will have through the month of March, and I think also through the beginning of April if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, I want to show you guys what kind of products they will have for sale, and I do also want to maybe show you guys my own recommendations. And yeah, so if you guys are interested, let's go on and get started with the video. Here is the Tartelettes Toasted Palette by Tarte Cosmetics. Now this palette is going to be going on sale on March 29th for $19.50, originally $39. But look at that shimmer, you guys. This is an awesome palette if you are someone that likes more natural tones. Great palette for the summer. It has really nice shimmery colors as well. I own this palette myself and I really do like it. So totally recommend it. And anyways, let's keep going and see what else they do have. And now on April 4th, they're going to have the Tarte Quick Dry Matte Lip Paint in Glossy Lip Paint, which I totally recommend. I have a few of these at home and I really do like them. They're going to be going for $10, originally $20. So that's a half off. So you're definitely going to get your money's worth. Now this next one is the Urban Decay Primer Potion. Now the Urban Decay Primer Potion, they have the regular one, the original one, and then the anti-aging one. Of course, if you have a lot of veins in your eyes, it's not going to cover that because it's a lot more sheer, but it's still a great price for $24.50. That's going to be going on sale on March 22nd. Now also on March 22nd, they're also going to have the Too Faced Chocolate Gold Eyeshadow Palette, originally $49, going on sale March 22nd for $24.50. If you didn't get a chance to grab this palette, now is the time. It does have more shimmery eyeshadows than matte colors, so keep that in mind. So on April 5th, they're going to have the Too Faced bronzer. So you're looking to get the Chocolate Soleil bronzer. These are the newer packaging, same formula for $15, originally $30. I have seen these at TJ Maxx and then Marshalls, the old packaging. So here is the Chanel section of Ulta, which I didn't know that Ulta had. Oh my god, I'm super excited. I've never owned any Chanel products, but now that it's here, I'm probably gonna end up buying some Chanel products. But look at these. These are some facial cleansers, moisturizers by Chanel. They're quite expensive, but quite interested in them. So let's keep going. So here is the Buxom Plum Pink Lip Matte Cream. These are for, I believe, going for $10.50 on March 28th. It's a plumping effect, so it's definitely going to make your lips a little bit bigger. So the one product that I'm super excited to get is a Peter Thomas Roth Hungarian Thermal Mask. They also have a moisturizer. This is going to be going on sale March 22nd for $29. Now I really love this mask because I have a sample of this, and when I tried it, you guys, I completely fell in love. It gives you almost like a heating effect once you wash your face with cold water. It is just an awesome product, so I'm definitely going to buy it. Now this is not part of a sale, but I thought I'd show you guys this trio of mascara. It's really cute. I love the mascaras. Oh, and then look, you guys, next to it is the Brows by Desi Perkins in collab with Benefit. It's a really cute packaging. I just thought I showed you guys. But anyways, let's keep going. So here is the section, the Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I wanted to show you the Riviera palette. Can you guys see the colors? It's so freaking pretty. I just want to like put it on my face and in my eyes. It's amazing. Love the colors, almost like summery vibes. This one is actually for $45. It's not part of the sale, but I thought I'd show you guys. But look at that shimmer. Ooh, oh my god, I'm so happy. And then next to it is another new product that came out from Anastasia. It's a dewy set. It's supposed to be like a setting mist. Gives you kind of maybe like a dewy type of makeup. Okay, so here I am at the Morphe section of Ulta, and I want to show you guys the James Charles palette. Oh my god, look at the colors. They're so pretty. I wanted to buy this palette, but you guys, look, it's out of stock. I think this palette has been completely out of stock in every Ulta that I've gone to, so haven't been able to get my hands on it, but as soon as it goes on stock, I'm definitely gonna get it. But here are also the highlighters and bronzers by Morphe. I heard like really nice, great reviews about these highlighters, that they're really good, so they're really affordable as well. And then next here is the LA Colors concealers. I was thinking about getting this, but I can't find my shade, so I'm gonna just put it back. And also I found the It's the Ray Ray palette by BH Cosmetics, you guys, for $22.50. Now I found these at Marshall's for $6 actually. So alright guys, so I'm in my car and I actually got a little booklet from Ulta Beauty just to show me all the items that are going to be on sale for this 21 days of beauty event. And I showed you guys in the video all the products that I do recommend, but there were a couple products that I actually didn't see at the store. So one of them was the Dose of Colors Desi and Kati eyeshadow. Totally recommend you guys get that palette. That is an amazing palette. I've heard so many great reviews. It is going for about $55, but with the 50% off, you're able to save about $25, so you will end up paying about $27.50, which is not bad. The other thing that I didn't see was the Ofra Nikki Tutorials. Oh, by the way, that Dose of Colors Desi and Kati eyeshadow palette will be going on sale on March 18th, so that is this Monday. So if you're interested, make sure you head out to your Ulta Beauty website or on the store and check it out yourself. But the second item that I did also recommend that I didn't see at the store was the Ofra by Nikki Tutorials highlighter trio. That is regularly $29, but it was going for, it's going now for $14.50. That'll be hitting the shelves at around March 26th, which is a Tuesday, and that is going to be on sale. And that is a highlighter that is really good, you guys. I totally recommend that highlighter. I'm definitely gonna head up to the store and buy that highlighter myself because I feel like that is an amazing highlight. You get 3 highlighters, I think, which is perfect for different skin tones. So I totally recommend that highlight. I did also see that they were having the MAC Prep and Prime, which I didn't see in the stores, but I know that that is also going to be on sale. Oh, sorry, I think like the sun is hitting my face now. So that is pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, I guess. I'm definitely going to head to Ulta the next few days to check out these deals because they are amazing. And I'm so happy that they're having it because makeup can be so expensive, and when they have events like this, it just makes it much better and you end up saving a lot of money. So I totally recommend you guys check the deals out. And that'll be all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I will also leave links down below so that way you guys can check it out yourself and see more information about the products that I did mention. I'll see you guys on my next video. Adios.